Hello ma'am, my name is Krishna Devji Misal, and in Human Resources Management I have selected my topic on functions of HRM. So, so first of all we'll see the definition of functions of HRM. So definition of functions of HRM is the basic functions of human resources management are planning, controlling, directing and organizing company activities, utilizing of workforce requirement and strategizing etc. So this is the definition of functions of HRM. Now we'll see brief explanations of functions of HRM. The functions of HRM can be broadly classified into two categories: managerial functions. In managerial functions, there are planning, organizing, directing, coordinating, and controlling. So first of all, we'll say planning. What is planning? Planning may be defined as decide in what to do, when to do, and how to do. Organizing is the process of arranging people and other resources to work together and accomplish a goal. Directing. What is meaning of directing? Directing means telling people to do a particular work and ensure that they perform as per as the directing. Coordinating organization's objectives will be achieved only if group activities in the enterprise are coordinated effectively. Next, controlling means after planning, organizing and directing various activities of personnel management. Next we'll see operational functions. There are also three types: employment, human resources development, and compensations. So employment, it is the first operative functions of human resources management HRM. Employment is contracted with sharing an employee, the people processing requirement kind, level and of human resources necessary to achieve an organizational objectives. Human resources, it is the process of improving, modeling and changing the skills. Compensations, it is the process of providing equipment, equitable and fair remuneration of the employee which motivate them to work more effectively. So this is the brief explanation of functions of HRM. Now we'll see where and when the functions of HRM is used. The human resources management is used to manage human resources and relevant process throughout the employee life cycle. These are the use of functions of HRM. Now we are going to see some advantages of functions of HRM. So what are the advantages of functions of HRM? Human resources planning, human resources management HRM helps in an timing the right number of people required for carrying out the necessary activities of organizing hiring workforce. It enables business in hiring skilled and qualified workforce by creating a large pool of employment peoples, improve employee retention, help save time and energy. These are the advantages of functions of HRM. Retailing employee, human resources management plays an effective role in retailing skills employee for a large terms with an organizing. In sense, organizing effectively, human resources management influences the overall productivity and profitability of business organizing. Handle, distribute and inquiry. It handle, distribute and resolve all query of workforce from time to time. These are the advantages of functions of HRM. Now we'll see limitations of functions of HRM. Uncertainty of future. The feathers of business organizing largely remains uncertain. This is because many social, politics, technical, and financial factor can be affect their fun- functioning. These factors and up effectively HRM as well as because the decade. Problem of severe staffing. Whenever an organizing is overstaffed, HRM provides solution like terminations of exchange, employee, VRS, etc. This is in terms negative effect exiting employee as the trick of job terminate looms of them all the time. So these are the limitations of functions of HRM. uh, and there are 4 points of functions of HRM. Limitations of functions of HRM. Third point is convictions attribute of top level management. The top level management of many organizing often process a convexing attribute in feathering. It can be rebuilt in changing its own ideas and benefits of acclimate the quirks of employee. Time consuming. HRM generally requires managers to collect all the sort of information from employee with respect to their function. So here I have shown one example of functions of HRM. So there are planning, staging, developing, monitoring, and there are 8 type of functions of HRM. So thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much for giving me this presentation.